Hi everyone, it's Aya. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to share with you the new die by Tonic Studios called My Memory Book, Today's Treasure. It's part of their birthday celebration, yay! Which just started. Be sure to check out their channel for info on big giveaways. Now let's take a quick look at this huge die set which contains 72 dies. 72 dies, that's really a lot. So to assemble the album, I will guide you through the easy steps since the biggest die is almost 8 inches. I will be using my Big Shot Plus machine. The sandwich for the Big Shot Plus is the platform, a plate, magic mat from scrapbook.com, which is amazing. Then you're gonna put the paper, then the die, then a clear plate. Also, I'm using here some cardstock from cutcardstock.com for this project. I'm going to link everything in the description box for you guys. So I'll be die cutting 2 of the largest dies and some of the smallest one. The largest die is about 7.5 inches wide. The middle size is approximately 5.5 inches, and the smallest size is 4 inches. There are also 3 dies for creating tassels, which is a neat addition. Okay, now let's embellish the album. I have chosen design paper by Pink Fresh Studios and Pink Paisley Cold Horizon. I'm using double-sided tape to adhere the pages to the album space cover. The great thing is that you can really arrange the pages however you like. The sky's the limit. As for the closure, the instruction recommended using magnets, but since I don't have any at the moment, so I will leave it open for now. So stay tuned for more crafting fun, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. And so are you ready for the final review for the album? Ta-da! I really love how this album turned out. Okay, so for all these stickers, I used these chipboard by my Maggie Home. Okay, these are chipboard stickers. Okay, so I should have put here a magnet, but I don't have. So I spelled bloom, couple of pearls. I'm going to give this album to my daughter. Also, I put here some ribbons from this brand. I love all these soft colors. So when you open it, it will be this way. Okay, again, I used a sticker from Maggie Home collection. I'm sorry, I don't have the zoom in lens, but anyway, I'm going to lift the album up for you guys. This is a die by Pink and Main. This one has XO. I used all these border dies by Pink and Main. Then when you open it, so this is the first portion. The entire album, I just added some die cuts, either from stamped images or just, random die cuts I add here a couple of tags. Again, a couple of tags from different collections. Let me show it to you. Also like by Maggie Home. All of them by Maggie Home. I have a lot of her tags. Oh, here I spelled love you. Yeah, here is my favorite character. This is by Santoro. I really love all gorgeous girl characters. And this is a die cut from Mentai paper. Then you can close it and go here. These are a washi tape by Pink Fish Studio. I'm just die cut it by the coordinating dies. Again, here is a cute ginger. Again, a sticker by Maggie Home. I added here a couple of tags. Here is another tags also. Another sticker by Pink Fish Studio. Definitely you can remove the tags and add pictures or photos for your kids. Another gorgeous girl. Here are the frame. This is by Greetery. I'm sorry I didn't pull all the dies that I used. This is a die. This is a very old die by X-Cut. It cuts Russian dolls. I love this die. Here's I added some tags. Then I put here some borders and I put some die cuts inside it. You can again add photos for your kids. Yeah, so I really love this album. I feel it's cute. Mariam, my daughter, can add her photos or whatever she wants. So cute. I made it more girly for my daughter. So again, you can choose the theme and whatever you want. So this is the main album die. Again, I just used this portion of the die. These I didn't have a chance to use. So I need to put them in a magnet. Wait, this dies. I saw the design team made an amazing album by using only these two dies. So again, this die is really versatile. I think you can create all sorts of, scrapbooking, cards, album by this die only. So I hope you like my album as much as I do. Please check Tonic Studios YouTube channel. They are doing a huge giveaway, and plus there is a discount code and so many fun stuff, because they are celebrating their birthday. So happy birthday, Tonic Studios, and wish you all the success for this year and all coming years. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.